The town of Ústí nad Labem doesn't pop up on a lot of travel itineraries in the Czech Republic, but it offers a lot in terms of a quick trip from Prague. Bordering on Germany and Northwestern Bohemia, it is well known for being an industrial capital, with many factories for textiles, chemicals, and more. Despite the town's industrial reputation, access to nature is the biggest draw. This area got its name from two 18th-century Swiss artists, and is now the location of Bohemian Switzerland National Park, České Švýcarsko, the Czech Republic's youngest national park. There are trails, scenic routes, waterfalls, and sandstone rock formations to admire, and the area is easy enough for outdoor enthusiasts of all levels. Getting there, trains and buses can get you to the city center of Ústí, but to reach the nature park, it's best to rent a car and drive there directly. It generally takes less than 3 hours and will offer a more comfortable mode of transport back to Prague, after a long day of hiking. Travel tip: for an unusual meal experience, book a table at the Vétruz Chateau, which is reachable via an aerial cable car from the Forum shopping center.